for a job in Dubai without referral? Then this video is the right place for you. Hi, I am Preeti. I moved to Dubai from India after the marriage and I had to rebuild my entire tech career from scratch without referral and without local network connections. I applied over 30 plus jobs, understood the market pattern and landed a senior backend developer role in 30 days. Today, I'm going to tell you the exact strategy that nobody tells you about. Let's get started. First and the foremost is analyzing the market. First, research which companies have a track record of hiring people internationally. Then look for skill set, experience band, sponsorship. Like without valid work visa, you cannot work here. So you need to know visa sponsorship and relocation support. Fourth is the salary budget. You need to explore the salary budget for the job you are looking for. After analyzing the market, it is time to use the right platform. I would suggest use the standard platform like LinkedIn, Indeed, and along with some local job platform like Naukrigulf and GulfTalent. You can directly apply on the company website too. Don't just click apply and wait for the response set. Rather, optimize your profile like a landing page. Your heading and keyword should get highlighted. Because if the recruiter like your profile, then they directly reach out to you guys. So this is the plus point of optimizing the profiles. The post from hiring manager and recruiter in your field. Send the short direct connection messages, not asking for the job, but starting a real conversation. This will help to build the network connections. And also I analyzed the external recruiting agencies do help here. So don't ignore the recruiting agencies in the UAE. They help you to place the candidates from external job market and land you the job. Last one is resume optimization. Yeah, I made a huge mistake of using same resume to all the jobs, but it hurted me. Like I got a rejection every time. So you need to tailor your resume specifically to each job description. And also remember the length and structure of UAE employer expect is different from what works in India. So my suggestion is focus on resume format and use the proper keywords. Very interesting part now is visit visa versus applying from the India. Lot of guys ask me this question like, is it okay if I apply from the visit visa and from the India? Yes, you can do it, but let me tell you the honest truth. If you apply from the India, your response time will be slower and it is harder to get shortlisted for in-person interview rounds, but there is no extra cost or risk. And also I would like to tell you that you are competing against the global market. So guys, do prepare properly. And if you are coming on the visit visa, you can network in person and attend face-to-face interviews, walk-in interviews, and sometimes things goes faster here. My strategies which help me to get the job here faster. If you are in middle of the process and need any help, then drop your question in the comment section. I will be happy to answer as much as possible. And if this helped you, then subscribe to my channel. I am planning to have a follow-up interview preparation for the UAE market specifically. Thank you guys.